going on, guys? Sam from GHETTO Rigs here. As you can see, we're taking off the air box, which we already got off. We got it all up here. I mean, you bring the camera around. We got, yeah, you can see this is my old air box. Check out the filter. Yeah, it's not supposed to look like that. After we did cases over here, the one behind the camera on his, we put a Spectre cold air on his. It's a white filter. I got the blue up here in the truck. Yeah, we got some plans to go on this thing. Like, yeah, I forgot. I gotta cut some stuff off. That's power. Just kidding. This truck makes no power. But one second while I grab the second leg. Boys. Alright. Quick little snippy snip snip there. And a quick little snippy snip 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 here. I added too many snips to it. And I'm gonna mess it up now. Oh Jesus Christ. Yep, I figured this was gonna happen. Come on. Never had this big of an issue with these. Oh, there we go. Nip. And now we grab the Spectre. Yeah, we'll have to pop the hoods. We'll get a side-by-side comparison. My truck's going to be louder because I have muffler delete, no resonator. It's just got the cats on it, which are basically all blown out. So, technically a straight pipe Sonoma. It's the 2.2 liter inline 4. Yeah. Power. Alright, let's pop it out of the bag. Oh, my couplers. Alright. You may have to take out the first coupler spacer for this. Maybe all of them. Maybe all of them. Well. Seem to be in a predicament here. This is kind of a hard thing to do. It's a stock intake. Oh, there's that. May have to cut this off with a sawzall or saw. I don't care. Alright. So yeah, if you want to just prop the camera somewhere on here, it's not hot at all. Yeah, we can prop that up. I need you to help me hold it. Alright. Alright, oh shoot, there goes my couple again. These things don't stay in. Well, you know, yeah, you guys already know we got the bone saw because, you know, we're straight kill boners. Just this little lip thing. I straight up think we're trying to cut rubber right now. Yeah, it's rubber. Where'd I put the cutter pieces? Little... Oh, they're right here. Alright, so we just gotta cut it off, please. Like I said, this channel's all about all things ghetto, and this is ghetto as fuck. Don't do this if you don't want to, like, mess up your car by chance, because we don't know if this actually will mess up my car. It probably won't. It'll probably actually help it. Because, you know, there's a lot of sand in this thing. Alright, we're going to chop this off just so we can get a comparison with this. Or a view. Can't chop it that way. Alright, one section down. Alright. Alright, got that. Alright. Yeah, now we're dicing it. Not sponsored by Dyson. Alright. Yeah, we don't have time to edit videos, really. We just kind of do it one and done and hope it's good. This is actually really clean cutting. Factory. Alright, let's see. Will this fit on here now? Maybe we've got rid of one first. Yeah, take one out. We're going to take out the smaller one. So this is probably a 3.5. Yep.
And it's on?
Yep, it's on. Just got to rotate the filter so the piece is right here. And plus it actually has a little bit of flex in it, so it'll actually work with this. So I mean, if it has to hang down like that, it'll hang down. So, yeah, this all works out in favor in reality. Yeah, mine's not a turboed car, at least yet. I plan on supercharging it. Oh, cover. Yeah, I got room for here, but supercharger kit's actually going to be going over here on that side of the manifold. Over there. Yeah, here, let me set this down. Let's see if I can. It's on. And I already got my mass airflow plugged in here, so we didn't have to bypass anything. You want to get around to the, or you might want me to start it up by the front?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's sucking pretty hard. You want to get by the back? Oh yeah. Hold on, let me hit this.